Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well and everything is going alright for you. Please do not look at my quarantine hair. It hasn't even been that long, but I don't know why I say quarantine. Lockdown locks, I suppose. That's quite good. But yeah, don't look at it. I know I need a haircut, but obviously lockdown. I'm probably going to be in lockdown for like another at least March. So we're going to have to deal with that. But today I've got a unboxing, well it's not unboxing, it's just a haul, but these are the boxes from Amazon. So yeah, I'm going to get started on that. One isn't a recent purchase and I can't actually physically show you what it looks like because I'm using it currently, and that is, well, I can show you the box I suppose, and it's this, which is a microphone, and it's from Moukey. I don't know, it seems to be a good microphone and it works at like very low, like you can still hear me when I'm whispering. And if you've watched me for some time, this camera wasn't the original camera I've been using, because I've been on this channel for like 10 years or something, but the sound quality on my Nikon D300 of the mic was not very good, so I decided to get one of these. I think it was around £25 or something like that, so it's not too dear, and it seems to be working fine, so I would recommend that as a nice cheap-ish microphone. This haul is really not long, by the way. I got this, you can't see, I got some of these because I have noisy neighbours and they're like, don't go to bed early. I already have earplugs anyway, but I decided to get some more because we're not really meant to reuse them, although I do, but I got a pack of 60 and they look like this. They're my favourite colour, which kind of helps. I've not opened it, but I just have it. Is there like a seal? Oh no, there's not. It just opens straight up. And it comes with like a carrying case, which has got a key ring on it. I don't want to get it out because you can kind of see it here. It's just black, like a carrying case kind of thing. Not that I'm carrying them anywhere. But yeah, 60 of them. So that might last me a good amount of time. They cost £10, which you might think that's quite a lot for what they are. In like Boots or whatever, or Tesco, I think they do two sets for £1, whereas you get 60 for 10. So you do the math on that. I haven't worn these ones yet, so I can't comment on it, but there we go. And I also picked up this. I don't know why it's not very focused. Maybe it's because I'm sitting really far, quite close to it. But I've got this, which is a Yankee Candle diffuser in clean cotton. Now, in my bathroom, I like the smell to be like clean cotton, so I've got this, and I've had two of them. I've got this Yankee Candle like round container, which is plastic, and it's got like little balls in it that are meant to release scent, but they don't really release that much scent. So they do, you can get a whiff of it now and then, but I want something that like nicely fills the room. And I've come to realise, I don't know, I like the scent of the clean cotton one that I've got from Yankee Candle, and that small thing was like £2-3, because I got it in a sale when in an actual Yankee Candle shop. It's got like a sniff and smell thing, but it's not doing anything. But yeah, I got this. It was £17 or £17.99, one of the two. It is like on par with a White Company one, which you can get from Mr. Village for £17. You get 120 mils here, and I think it lasts 10 weeks, which hopefully it lasts longer than that. But I want a nice fresh linen fragrance for my bathroom, and once I finish doing this video I'm going to open it because I want it to smell of it now. So yeah, that was a quick little haul from Amazon. Have you bought anything from Amazon recently? I now, when I use Amazon, I know it's like a big massive corporation that's not very good at tax paying and things like that, but I use Smile Amazon, and through that you can donate to charities, but it doesn't cost anything for you, and it like they get a very small percentage. You like pick your chosen charity, and then you can, whenever you buy anything, a certain, like it's pennies, goes to that charity, which is quite good. And you can track to see how much you've got. Like I've only got like 30p or something, and I've used it, let's say 7 times, so it's not a huge amount, but every little helps, doesn't it? Especially at this time. There are a few things in my Amazon basket at the moment which I'm not really gonna, I'm trying not to spend any money that's unnecessary, but there are a few like toiletry items that I want to get, and I don't really want to go in to a store to get them if I don't have to. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're all well and are safe, staying good. If you've not already, I would love it if you could subscribe, follow my Instagrams, which are linked below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.